if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Guys, good morning. It's on a Sunday and it's on end month, and I'm heading out to go and shop for some groceries at the market. If you're in Mombasa, I'm going at Kongoya Market, and then when I come back, I'll show you what I've bought grocery for the whole month. This is what I've carried here. This is where nimeweka vitu zote zangu za sokoni, like the magunia na nini na nini. This is how I'm dressed. This jeans and this cut top. Then I'll be just putting on my shoes, rubbers. Then I'll promise to show you what I've bought in the market. They are not a lot. Ni vitu kidogo for some things I had bought, but hizi ndio vitu kidogo. And today was I don't know if it was a bad market day, because I didn't get some of the things, like some potatoes, Irish potatoes, zinaitwa Irish, like viazi and what, and ndizi, the ripe ndizi, bananas na nini tena. I had already bought tomatoes, zile zenye niliwaonyesha hapo mbele. It will be one video, so I just want to show you. I bought some spinach, and then I also bought this. All these things zenye ziko hapa kwa meza ndio nilinunua leo, sikufanya haul kubwa. I bought some mrenda, some kunde, if you know mkunde, and some zinaitwa saga, I don't know, zinaitwa saga. Sisi kikwetu tunazita usuga, but hizo ndio mboga zenye zimejaa hapa, because I love mboga ya kienyeji. Alafu I also bought some there were no avocados today, ziko ndogo ndogo. I also bought some avocados and oranges, and also hapa kuna lemons, limau ziko hapa. I also bought few carrots because I have some. I also bought few carrots. It's just additional because I think last time I did because I did my shopping twice a month, so I still have some things. I bought some kitunguu saumu. Kitunguu saumu zinaitwaje? Garlic. Alafu I also bought all these. Today I also bought some sweet potatoes for breakfast. I love sweet potatoes. At some point now, ni ubadilishe at least kama you are taking sweet potatoes, you are taking bread, huwezi kila siku. Then let me show you another thing that I bought. I don't know hizi vitu bana. Another thing that I bought today, I bought watermelon. I bought this watermelon at 50 shillings. I didn't buy a big one because naogopa maybe inaweza kuja kuikata na ni tasteless. So hata kama itakuwa tasteless nitakuwa nimeharibu 50 bob yangu. Then nikabuy some cereals, beans, maragwe. Hii ni 2 kgs. I've realized cereals zimepanda, guys. Maragwe, it's from 130 to 150. So I bought this. This is the kind of beans yenye nimenunua leo. I'm not a fan of these beans, but leo nimezinunua. The one that I buy every day, ilikuwa 160 170 a kilo. So that's 2 kgs nimenunua. I also bought this. Junior video isikushike hapo. I also bought this. These are rice. This is rice. Okay, these are rice. Kuna wingi wa rice. Rices. Rice. Also got this. These are rice. This is rice. Okay, these are rice. Kuna wingi wa rice. Rices. Rice. But kwa nini rice ni moja na ni nyingi? I bought hizi tena pia ni rice. This is rice. Let me show you. I always buy rice yenye inajita tamu. This is 150 per kg. Then guys, I think the last thing I bought for my grocery was kitunguu. Kitunguu imeshuka sana. I bought onions. These are 2 kgs. Will take me the whole month. And I think these are the things that I bought. Guys, I also bought some spices. This is pilau, for pilau masala. I wanted to make some pilau. Then I bought some stew mix. Hey, leo nimejua inaitwa stew mix. Oh, inaitwa mchuzi mix, stew mix. I bought this. Then, you know, when you go to the market, you can't just buy food without kupitia places zingine. I bought some pins for my hair. I also bought some hair bands and a bun. I've always looked for this bun. I also bought a bun. And lastly, really guys, if you go to the market, sometimes unapitia places za mtumba. I bought this. I bought this color. I don't know kama ni t-shirt ama ni shirt. And I also bought this for myself. Sema kujipenda. Also bought this for myself. Very nice tops. I also bought this. Also for myself. And another one. I bought this t-shirt. White. In a summer life. Is beautiful. Oktoberfest. This one. I also bought this for my boy. Also bought this for him. Guys, I think for today, that's the haul that I did. I just wanted to do it quickly because these are just the same things that I always buy kila siku. So I didn't see a need of doing a very big haul. And leo pia siku nimefanya shopping mingi or groceries shopping mingi. And that's it. And all this for these clothes only. That's it, guys. Kindly comment down below, and make sure, please, don't watch this video without clicking the subscription button. Guys, I can see for those who have subscribed, guys, those who have not subscribed, please support by subscribing. Help me grow. I know you like my content, that's why you come back to watch my content, but please kindly hit the subscribe button. If you see any video that you like, kindly like my video so that YouTube can recommend my videos to for people to watch. And I can also attain the 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 176. I'm crossing my fingers that this week we may reach 200 subscribers, and God willing, we'll have 1,000 subscribers and celebrate, and also 4,000 watch hours. Thank you, guys. Guys, I want to show you what we are cooking. I want to make some pilau. So very quick, let me show you my ingredients. I have some tomatoes here. I don't know nimeweka tomatoes ngapi. Then I have some mixed pilau spices, pilau masala. Then I do have salt here. I also have my oil, cooking oil. Then I don't know if I've shown this. I have our chicken here. These chickens, I bought them, not chickens, guy. Chicken, I bought them. They're, how do we call them? Roasted. Yeah, but I just want to use them. Then I have here, I have tomato paste. Then in this plate I do have my onions, red onions. I have my garlic. This is ginger. This is tomato paste. And these are capsicums. So let me show you a little view. Then I don't know, I'll take you through quickly how I'll cook the pilau. Then after that I'll show you the outcome of the pilau. So 1 minute, I show you all my ingredients in one plate. These are the tomatoes, onions, the chicken, capsicum, tomato paste, ginger, garlic, the pilau spices, then salt, and lastly the oil. Now we are pouring our oil. I'm not cooking pilau mingi, but siri ya pilau huwa ni, what I've realized, siri ya pilau huwa ni ile mchele unatumia, and also ni mafuta ya kutoshanaje unaeka. Ile mchele inafaa kupata mafuta vizuri, so at first ni mafuta yetu ndio tumeweka ianze kuiva. Acha mafuta iive. In Africa, sijui kama ni Africa ama ni Kenya, this is how we test mafuta kama imeiva. Unaona venye inafanya? This is how we test mafuta. Then I'll put my garlic first. That's how I do it. I put my garlic because I need that aroma. So I'll go first with the garlic. Tunapika tu kienyeji. So that's garlic. Then after garlic, guys, because garlic yetu inachomeka, tutaika hizi vitunguu zingine. Vitunguu maji, the red onion. Guys, now we've added 3 things. We've added the garlic, we've added the red onions, then now we've added ginger. Then now what we want to add next are the tomatoes. Yapa. Tunazita tomatoes ama ni tomato. Tomatoes, and I'll add salt, at least to make them soft, tender and soft. Then I'll show you the next process. Guys, I feel like I'll not be adding my tomato paste because these tomatoes are okay. I just want to add the main ingredients, which is dawa ya pilau. The pilau, the pilau spices. Now, guys, this is the pilau spices. If you want your pilau to come brown, is the more spice you need. You add is how your pilau will be brown. Now I've added the capsicum and our chicken. Let me just I don't know, nikoroge alafu ndio muone. Guys, before I add water, this is how our main before I add water and rice, this is how it looks like. Let me add water, then I'll put rice. After adding water, I'll add water. Then after some time, I'll leave for quite some few minutes for it to start boiling. Then I'll add our rice. Then after adding our rice, we'll leave it to boil until it's ready. Then I'll show you the end results. I'll not show you how it's boiling and everything, but I'll show you the end results. Now, guys, this is how it looks like. I told you the more hiyo dawa ya pilau yenye unaeka nyingi, ndio hiyo pilau yako itatoka brown. Ukiweka dawa pilau kidogo, pilau yako inatoka white, bado itatoka tu white. So unaona maji yangu venye inakaa. This is how it looks like. The more how do we call it? The more spice for the pilau, the more it turns brown. If you put less, it doesn't turn brown. So this is how it is. Let me just leave it to boil, then I'll add my rice, then I'll see you when everything is done. This is our final meal. I don't know how you're seeing it, the presentation. It goes with inaitwaje, ndizi. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you'll be watching this video from. It's on a weekend, and I'm starting this video. I don't know why my camera is behaving this way, but I hope you are seeing me, guys. I'm starting this video. I'll post it tomorrow or on Monday, because today is on a Saturday. But I want to show you how I clean my fridge, and also I bought some items, not like items, they're like some tomatoes and some capsicums. So I just want to show you and how I pack them, how I also clean them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Watch it, waste time with intros nyingi, but guys, click the subscribe button, and also if you like this kind of content, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, before we start washing, let me show you what we use. This is a basin of water. Then we have this is a normal multi-purpose soap. Then we have vinegar. And this is the sponge we're using. It was a kawaida. My videos are just normal life, normal videos, no exaggerating. I've just added the vinegar in the kidogo. Just added the vinegar kidogo to osha. Then I'll just add a little bit of multi-purpose soap. So I don't add the nyingi, because at some point when you add the nyingi, there'll be a lot of foam. So let me show you what I start with first. I want just to wash the compartments of the fridge. Then now I'll go to the fridge itself. I'll show you when I'm washing the fridge itself. So let me bring the compartment. Wash our fridge. My fridge is dirty. This is how we are washing it. I don't know how you guys wash your fridge, and more often, because I wash mine like twice in a month. I don't know how it should be washed. Kindly comment down below and let me know how you wash yours. Me, I just mix normal soap with vinegar, alafu na maji, alafu what I use is this sponge. I don't know kama inasaidia, but I still want, because I see some marks. Nataka nichukue super bright so that nitoe hizo 2 marks, because a 92 liters Excel fridge. This is the upper part. Then we have this place where I don't know, ikidifreeze inajitoa maji inakaa hapa. This is where the place that holds the water, and we have the compartments. This fridge has this, I don't know, Nagita spatula, and this one's for the ice cubes. Then we have this part. This part is this is glass. This is a glass. Then we have the next part here, also a glass. It has very little compartments. It's not a bigger fridge, because I know you can relate to 92 liters fridge. Then there's this part. Then there is this part. This is where you place your fruits, or you can place your nyanyas and everything. Then we turn to this part. We have this upper part where I've placed my eggs. I've just washed the fridge, so I'm still arranging it. So we have this, the upper part. Then after hapo, we have this here, this compartment, this one. It has 3 cases, the same as inside. Then the last part is here. So that's the fridge. It's an Excel fridge, 92 liters. I don't know, it's good so far. Since I started using it, it's good. I can't complain. With the electricity consuming also is good. It regulates itself. It has light, and I'll show you once I put my tomatoes inside and everything. Let's go and pack our tomatoes. These are our tomatoes. Kama mnaita tomatoes ama tomatoes. These are tomatoes, and these are the things that I'll use to pack them. Then we have some capsicum, and other tomatoes here. So let's pack the tomatoes.